Sorry? Uh, I'd like to thank my mother, my father, my neighbor, my friends, in case we win any awards. No, yeah, I think we all understand the emotion of the person who receives the award, and obviously, I think he should be allowed to speak because it's a special moment for that person. I really hope that he has it. He's nominated in 3 categories, so let's hope and pray. But I mean, it's not the award that's important; it's the evening that's important. Zinda, Zinda, undoubtedly. Sing.
जिंदा
है तो प्याला पूरा भर ले कंचा टूटे चूरा कांच कर ले. Who composed it, by the way?
I'm fine, really excited about the 6th Mirchi Music Awards tonight. Oh, I think everyone's got something really special to offer. Not that I'm being, correct or polite, but really there's so much of different sound and different voices which have got something so special to offer. Each one of them have something really special to offer. But of course, my favorite is Arijit Singh. Now that you're asking me, I had to be honest with you. Even though Tumhi is a beautiful, beautiful song, it is really popular, but I just love the way he sung Barish Ke, from the film, that Barish Ke Aansu. Na na, kabhi do badal barse, kabhi to na na ye dua. I love the way he sung that song. It's a beautiful song. For sure. So, my own song, I'd like to sing the ever favorite, which Mirchi has always promoted so much. नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा हाय नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा सजना आ भी जा सजना आ भी जा. In the reality shows, you mean? Cricket. IPL. Now that is a very questionable thing. But more than jeetna or harna, I think the way they play the game, it's very entertaining. 2020 itself is a very entertaining form of format. So that format itself is entertaining if you don't worry about who's going to win or who's going to lose. I think it's nice every move of every cricketer, because there's an ensemble of cricketers from different parts of the world getting together as a team. So that's what makes it like a very exclusive and novel kind of kind of a thing. So I think we should enjoy the way they play. बिल्कुल, जो क्रिकेट के आर्डेंट फैंस होते हैं हार्डकोर, क्योंकि मैं क्रिकेट की इतनी ज़्यादा हार्डकोर फ़ैन नहीं हूँ, पर लेकिन जो क्रिकेट के आर्डेंट फैंस हैं उनके लिए ये थोड़ी सी चीटिंग हो जाएगी. बट समबडी लाइक मी, जिनको टेक्निक और खेलने की अदाओं और स्टाइल में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है, आई वुडंट रियली केयर. बट आई थिंक जो लोग फैंस हैं उनके लिए तो बहुत ही इट्स एब्सोल्यूट नो फॉर देम. थैंक्स.
है क्या सिखाया था? कमाल कर रही हो, कमाल कर रही हो. काम के टाइम पे बातचीत. यस वेल आई थिंक इस वक्त बैड तो नहीं, अच्छा सुझाई दे रहा है, क्योंकि म्यूज़िक फ्रेटर्निटी का जो सम्मान रेडियो मिर्ची हर साल करता है इन सच अ लार्ज बिग वे दैट इज़ वर्थ अपलॉडिंग. और बाकी वो रेडियो मिर्ची के जो बैड आरजेज हैं उन सभी को पर्सनली लोगों को देखने का मौका मिलता है, इंटरेक्ट करने का मौका मिलता है, एंड हाउ वंडरफुली टैलेंटेड दे आर. And my best wishes to all the music fraternity. I'm here to applaud and sit there and clap at their achievements. Film Yariyan, the music track of Film Yariyan is very, very good. It's also a hit. The film is a hit. The music is a hit. And on top of it, I'm in the movie. So, sorry? देखिए, अपनी चीज़ तो बहुत अच्छी लगती है, हमेशा अच्छी लगती है, और उसके लिए करेज चाहिए होता है ये कहने के लिए कि चूँकि मेरी चीज़ है इसलिए मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है. मैं इस फिल्म में हूँ, यारियाँ में, उसके साथ साथ इट हैपन्स टू बी कि म्यूज़िक बहुत अच्छा है उस फिल्म का. वो यो हनी सिंह का वो गाना दिल है पानी पानी, और ब्लू है पानी पानी. जहाँ भी रिज़ल्ट ओरिएंटेड चीज़ें होंगी, चाहे अवार्ड ले लीजिए, आईपीएल ले लीजिए, दूसरी भी कोई चीज़ें ले लीजिए, वहाँ पर हमेशा ये एक्यूज़ किया जाएगा कि कुछ इसमें फिक्सिंग है, कुछ इसमें सब मिलजुल के हो रहा है. तो कहाँ तक सही है, कहाँ तक गलत है, मुझे तो पता नहीं. हाँ, लेकिन ये है कि ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. अवार्ड्स को लेकर भी कहते हैं लोग, जिन्हें अवार्ड नहीं मिलता वो कहते हैं कि सब सेट है, फिक्सिंग है, और इसी तरह से क्रिकेट को लेकर, दूसरी चीज़ों को लेकर बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. डिज़र्विंग मस्ट विन. दैट्स व्हाट आई. थैंक यू.
Yeah. Hi. Well, I like that song, Samaralu. I find it very sweet. It was quite tough because there are a lot of songs which were nice, and especially there are a lot of new singers, and all of them are singing well. So to decide who should win over whom was quite a tough decision to take. Okay, thank you.
Hi. Wow, pretty well organized here. It's very rare, na? So nicely, neatly organized. From what's going to happen inside? Well, it's a music award, yeah. So obviously looking forward to some great performances, some great singing, and catching up with fraternity friends, yeah. Sorry. Yeah, but it's always the same. Yeah. So it's so weird. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to meeting up all my fraternity friends, and I think it's, like always, it's going to be a great show. And it's good to have this award function. It's good to dedicate something to the music fraternity. नहीं, मैं बहुत बुरा गाता हूँ. See, right now I'm so obsessed with my own film कि मैं अपनी पिक्चर के गाने गाऊंगा ना. There is actually a romantic song which is probably going to come out very soon. It's called Tu Hi Hai Aashiki. So that is actually one of my favorite songs right now. I can't sing it, मैं ख़राब कर दूंगा. इससे अच्छा आप पहले सुन लो, फिर मैं गाऊंगा. मैंने पहले गा दिया तो कोई सुनेगा नहीं. Naturally, I think if any sport you realize is fixed, there's no fun watching it. So whatever be the sport, I think anything in life, the fun of life is to experience it as it happens. And अगर कुछ हमें पहले से ही पता है prefixed है, तो then there's no fun. It's like when an astrologer tells you कि आपकी लाइफ में यही होने वाला है और exactly वही हो तो बहुत boring हो जाता है. Well, I guess I'll have to leave it to the big boys to decide what they think is right. You know, I mean, off the dinner table, we all have solutions, but on the bigger picture, they never come handy. You need the experienced people to really come forth and take proper decisions and proper precautions. So to make sure that this never happens again. Awesome. Thank you, darling.
Hi. It is the first. Yes, it is. I'm very excited. Lots of fun. It's going to be. Sorry, I'm. अभी तो नहीं अभी तो they haven't seen. I'm waiting for my songs to come out actually, which should happen soon. फिर शायद उसके बाद लोग पहचानने लगेंगे. वो, be received, and I hope they accept me in this great place. Thank you.
Any bite here, or should I? I wouldn't be saying my own, and I love one song that was Dhat Tere Ki, I suppose. I don't know whether it came that year or not. I love the arrangement done by Vishal Shekhar. And, it was something new for us all musicians to get acquainted with, and I think it was a good song. Yeah. I'm not very much for ballads. I love ballads. I've sung ballads myself also, like Tum Mile, but I'm more into hap music, cool beats, and nice, foot thumping music.